Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Pipefy, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for midsize. Teams offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Pipefy is known for its focus on process automation and workflow management. It offers products such as HR service delivery, procure-to-pay, and custom workflows. Additionally, Pipefy offers templates and integration features to integrate with other tools and platforms. In the terms of pricing, Pipefy offers a starter plan for small teams. Business plan for mid-market teams is priced $24. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan at pricing $40 is available. For organizations that need unlimited power to error-proof process, an unlimited plan is available. Pipefy also offers annual plan at discounted rates. In summary, both ClickUp and Pipefy offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your team values process automation, customizable workflows, and task management, Pipefy could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.